Dear children, I am sure you all are making best use of this time and also enjoying your online classes. So in continuation, in the part 4, we are learning HTML, and in this class we are going to learn about three different tags of your HTML. One is your heading tag, followed by your paragraph tag, and then style tag. And after completing all these three tags, we will be seeing one example also. So let's begin our class with the heading tag. Heading tag. Heading tags are used to display the text as a heading, and it is also used to give section heading. There are 6 levels of heading ranging from H1 to H6. H1 defines the largest heading level and H6 defines the smallest heading level. When it comes to a paragraph tag, this tag is used to make a block of text as a paragraph, and it is used to insert a line break with extra space in the beginning. Attributes of paragraph tags are align and values are left and right, and this tag is a container tag. Next one, we'll come up with the style tag. You can see BIU. You must be aware about this B. B stands for bold, I stand for italic, and U stands for underline. So HTML provides various style tags which are as follows. Bold tag, that stands for B tag. We are using B tag over here. So this tag specifies the text into bold text. Italic means we are using I tag. This tag is used to make the text in italic form. And underline tag means it stands for U tag. This tag is used to underline the text. So all these tags are container tags. Let's see the example. One more tag is there. We will begin with this comment tag. Comment tags are non-executable tags. When you are using this comment tag inside your program, it will not execute, means you are not going to see anything on the browser window. Let's see what is this. This tag is used to insert comment in the source code of the web page, and comments are not displayed in the browser window. So syntax is given here. We'll start with the exclamatory sign and then 2 hyphen, then dot dot, and then we'll close with the 2 hyphen and the closing bracket. Fine. So this is a page which we are going to design today. If you see, internet basics is written over there, and then one paragraph is there, followed by types of network, and then len, men, when is there, and at last thanks is there. So in this particular program, I have used 3 heading tags followed by bold, italic, underline, and one comment tag is also there along with the paragraph. To get this output, how to design this output, let's see this. Fine. This at the beginning we'll begin with the HTML tag. Fine. And then followed by your title, then P tag. There I have written P tag, heading tag, and style tag, means all the 3 tags what I am using over here I have written as a heading, and then I have closed the title tag, and then heading tag is closed. Now next we need to start with the body tag. So to give a color to the background, I have used BG color is equal to yellow. Then H1 internet basic, I have used H1 tag. As I told you, H1 has got the highest value. So if you see the output, this internet basic, this particular word will come in a big font size. So H1 is the highest one, so I have given heading as a internet basic. So H1 work is over. Immediately I have closed this H1 tag. Then followed by a paragraph tag. So I have used P tag, and then I have given alignment to this tag, means this particular paragraph will come from the left hand side. So I have written align is equal to left, followed by this particular paragraph. Okay. Then I have closed this P tag, and then I have given one break to come to the next line as per the output. Fine. Then we followed by H2 tag. As I told you, H1 is the highest, then H2 lowest, then H3 little bit smaller, then H4 little bit smaller, and H6 will be the least one. So I have given here H2, and heading was given types of network. So we have given H2 types of network, and then H2 has been closed, and followed by this bold style tag. B is coming to be in bold, so I have written B tag, then that particular word which should come in bold, and then B tag has been closed. Then coming to the next line, I have used a BR tag, then followed by I tag, italic tag, then I have written MAN, Metropolitan Area Network, then I tag has been closed, means this particular man will come in italic form, and then again BR tag has been used to come to the next line. then followed by underline, that is when. So we have used when as an underline tag. Fine. So these three contain len, men and when will come in bold, italic and underline. Fine. Then I could find here it's all over, so I have given one break and then I use a comment tag. This is the end of the HTML code, means whatever I have written, I find my page is over, so I have written this tag. This tag, this is the end of the HTML code. This particular thing will not be visible in the browser window as it's a part of the comment. Then at the last I have used the least tag, that is your h6 thanks. So the tag will come, is this particular thanks will come in the least form of your heading tag. Then followed by I have closed the body tag and then I have closed the HTML tag. After writing this tag, I'll see my output will come like this, as I told you earlier also. Fine. So you can see here this basic HTML tag is coming in the biggest font size, means H1 has been used, here H2 has been used and here H6 has been used, and here bold, italic, underline and then the paragraph. You can see in the comment tag I have written this coding of the HTML is over, that is not visible in the browser window. I think it's all clear to you people. Fine. We'll be meeting in the next class. Thank you children. Have a good day.